Hello, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, founder of i30 Media Corporation and author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm be talking about creating a different list price on your product page on Amazon compared to the suggested list price. And this can be an effective way to give the appearance of a discount or create a real discount. And just if this video helps you out, if you could take a moment to follow the channel or like the video at the end, I would appreciate it. A quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms and carefully evaluate all risk before you follow any of this advice. And your experience may be different than what I show you depending on when you watch this video and also how you have your Amazon account set up. This is an Amazon Seller Central account. This is the pro level account. I am an FBA seller, and I also have items on the brand registry. I have 2 brands within Amazon, so I can have access to certain programs. And one thing that sometimes you may see for my products is something like this. This is one of our products. It says here, list price, $24.99, and then the price that's listed is $21.99. You save $3, 12%. This is not a coupon. A coupon, you could also do something like this. You could create some extra information on your detail page and give that as an option to your customers. This is something I actually set up on Amazon Seller Central by just editing some of the data for the product listing. So let's go to Amazon Seller Central and take a look. You'll come to this page. This is the home page. Go to inventory. I do manage FBA inventory to edit the information. Now, of course, these are all the products that I have. If I wanted to edit the price, I could just switch it out right there. But that's not what I want to do. I wanted to show a price of $24.99 and then have the price that people can use today at $21.99. So the list price is more expensive. The actual price is less expensive. This is how I set it up. Go to Edit. And on the Offer tab, you'll see your price, $21.99. Lowest price. This is a product that we manufacture. We're the only sellers of this particular product. And then down here, manufacturer suggested retail price, $24.99. Now, this really is the list price for this particular product. The reason why we're selling it for $21.99 is because, frankly, we've had a little bit of trouble moving this particular product. So we want to give a discount that's kind of there all the time. When people come to the detail page on Amazon, they'll see that there's this discount here. And also, I don't have to keep on setting up coupons to promote it, because coupons are another way to do this type of thing where you can, I've created other videos about this, by the way, but it lets you create like a, save $3 off this particular product. I've found that for the products that I sell, going in here, first of all, having an actual MSRP for all my products, that's one very important thing that I like to do. And then for some products that I want to give a discount or show people that it's less expensive, then I'll put this there. One thing to note that not everybody will see this particular type of MSRP listing versus your price, because you may not have control over the listing, or it's in a category where you can't mess around with the price too much. And I'm not going to get into that today. For this type of product that I'm selling, I do have that option. And if I wanted to, I could go to my other products and start doing the same thing. And actually, I should say that on many of my products, I don't do a discount. For this one, I do. But you can see for this one right here, I don't have any discounted price off of the MSRP. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon Seller Central, Amazon FBA, and other types of selling programs, check out my YouTube channel. Go to leanmedia.org, click on video, and you can see it. Or if you're watching YouTube right now, if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel, you'll see lots more videos like this in the weeks and months and years to come. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.